How to create an online store with no money. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create an online store with zero investment. So let's get started. If you're thinking of running an online business and you have no money, you're confused how to get started, where to go, how you can create your online store without any investment, because wherever you go you have to pay for the platform, pay for the shipment, pay for the products to manufacture. So it becomes really hectic and it's very difficult for some people. But let me tell you that there is a platform that allows you to do everything for free, and you actually don't have to do anything. You just design products and then you simply earn your profit. So what you have to do is you will simply go to teespring.com and you will land right here. Teespring is a designing platform and a print on demand that allows you to create your own products. And there is no money required, no credit card. You simply sign up with your Teespring. You create your online store for free, and then you just design products right here on Teespring that I will show you, and then you earn your profit. So the manufacturing, the shipment, the everything is taken care by Teespring. All you have to do is just design the product and you're good to go. So let's sign up for our own Teespring. The signing up process is really easy. You can sign up with your email address or your Google account. So that's it. You can sign up with your Google account. Once you sign up, this is where you will get. In the signing up process, you will simply select a store name as well. So that's it. That's how you do it. So let me actually show you the signing up process really quickly. What you have to do is you simply enter your store name. So let's call it that my store name is Sway Closet. So all I did was simply type in a name of my choice, enter email address, set password, confirm password, and simply click on sign up. Once you do that, then you will land right here. This is our basic dashboard. So in here, you will be able to check your new products, profit, and to be paid. So what you have to do is you will simply go to create. Once we go to create, so we will be able to choose from different products. And this is our first step, choosing your product. So we have different products right here, such as t-shirts, hoodies, stickers, phone cases, hats, and more. So what you do is you simply select a product you want to design. So let's say that I want to design a hoodie. So you can see right here, this is going to be a unisex zip hoodie that I can design. Then we have simple classic pullover hoodie, we have mugs, we have different t-shirts, and you will be able to check their base cost. So the base cost for this one is going to be $26. So $26 is going to be the base cost, and this is what Teespring will get. And what happens is now I will actually price this hoodie to maybe $40 or $50, and I will be able to earn whatever I get from, if we minus like 26 from 50, then that will be my profit. That's how simply it works on Teespring. So let's start designing. I'm gonna go ahead and design a classic t-shirt. Let's go with this one. This is a premium tee and it is cotton, looks pretty good. Simply click on this icon right here and it allows you to design your own product. So this is our product, editor. You can see this is the front side of the shirt and this is going to be the back side. So what we can do now is we can either go ahead and add an image right here, like this is going to be a print on demand, or I can add a text. So I'm going to add an image in the front and text on back. So to add an image, you simply click on add image option and it allows you to select an image from your computer. So this is one of the designs a customer sent me. So I'm going to create a print on demand for them. So this is how it looks. You simply add an image. And on the back side, they wanted a text. So I'm going to go ahead and add the text really quickly. When it comes to text, we can change the font and that's what I'm going to do. After that, we just have to select the product colors. So we have white. So I have selected a lot of colors. Now I'm going to click on done. There you go. My product will be available in all of these different colors. Then we have to select a front image from all of these different t-shirts. What I can do is I can select a color that I want to actually show. So I'm just going to select a color that I want as a thumbnail. So I'm going to select this one and click on done. It will be saved. After that, you can see set your price to, they're saying you should set your price to $26, and this is going to be the price, and you will be earning $7 of profit. So keep in mind, this is $7 that I'm earning from this t-shirt, and I have invested zero. This is what you do exactly. Like, there's nothing else that you have to do. So I can actually go ahead and increase the price if I want to. The suggested price was 26, but maybe I can go with $30. So now I will be earning $11 profit with this t-shirt. And then we have the price in euro as well. Simply click on continue, and after that your product is created. We can actually design more products with the same design we have. I can now design a women's t-shirt, a sticker, a wall art, maybe a pillowcase, whatever I want to. So it will simply add more products right here. But for now, I'm just going to go with one product. Click on continue. After that, we simply have to give our design a name. So this one is called Queen. Then we have description option. Our first image, again, we can customize it. Now this is the URL we share on our social media and with our friends, with our different subscribers, so that they can actually buy our product. Then we have visibility. So this is going to be public. For now, I'm just going to go with private, but you will go with public. Simply click on publish listing, and your new product will be listed, and this is going to be your new product. Now my product has been created. I can simply go to my products from here, and I will be able to check it out. An important step that I want you guys to do is that simply go to payouts and add your payment method. And this is really important, because when you will be selling your products, now selling your product is, it depends on you. If you do good promotion, then you will be able to sell on Teespring, and you can use your social media for free in order to promote, and then you will be able to sell your product and make money. When it comes to payment methods, we get all of the payment methods right here. We can add our Stripe, we can add our PayPal, we can add our others too. So adding a Payoneer or maybe a PayPal is really easy for a lot of people, and don't worry, you will be able to get your payouts. You can also check your analytics from here, and even on the basic dashboard, you get your analytics, that how much you have earned. So you can see right here, right now I don't have any profit on this store, but you simply get the stats here. And these are my different products that I have created, and I can simply go ahead and now start selling on Teespring without any investment, and it is completely free. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members, so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell, so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part, and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to create an online store for free without any investment and earn your profit. Teespring is the best platform out there for you to design your own products and then earn your maximum profit. If I were a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.